It is now time for you to practice. The table is green. How do we say this in French? We say la table est verte. Okay, so the is la, table is table, is green is verte. Now we have an E at the end because we are talking, what is green? The table is green. Okay, so when it's féminin, we sometimes add an E. In this case we do. So it's la table est verte. Now, this is where you will need the PDF, the workbook that you have already opened, already browsed through a bit. But you will need to find the section where it says les couleurs. Les couleurs. Now that means colors. Okay, I need you to use that because you are now going to make your own sentences. I will ask you to say a sentence by telling you a sentence in English, but you're going to tell me the sentence in French, and then I will show you how to say it correctly, and you're going to check to see how you're doing. Okay, so here, the example I gave you was the table is green, which is la table est verte. Okay, now I want you to say the chair is yellow. The chair is yellow. So how do we say that in French?